This is the e-commerce web design and development overview with Steve Mingleco here on Final Web Design. Final Web Design, this is Steve. The first question we get most often is how much does an e-commerce website cost? And in all honesty, costs can be very different depending on the business or service that is building into an e-commerce website. A majority of e-commerce websites will be able to take in a payment gateway such as PayPal or third-party payment like Google Pay or Apple Pay, which would make it a lot easier to build their e-commerce project. When building an e-commerce project that you want to take your own credit cards and put your credit cards through your website yourself, those can be a little bit more work and often cost a little bit more money. And another e-commerce project that we've been recently working on was Alpha Sapien, which is just an online retailer store for high-end luxury products. This has a little bit more of a simplistic design, but nonetheless it is also powered by WooCommerce and WordPress. So this is a very popular another type of design customization that we are able to do using a platform such as WordPress with the WooCommerce. Now, if you're familiar with the Shopify, there's a lot of different Shopify platforms out there, and they're very template based. So you can definitely go that route. However, there's also a monthly maintenance fee and things like that you need to pay. So there's some benefits and there's also some non-benefits. The last thing I think we should talk about is the actual e-commerce hosting options that we have available. Now, when you build your website, you're going to want to make sure that you have enough space to maintain the e-commerce project itself. There's a lot of images, there's a lot of inventory type data. So all this stuff needs to be stored properly on a server. We could put that onto a good e-commerce system where we will continue to update and maintain the e-commerce platform that you choose, along with any third-party plugins, extensions, things like that that are needed. Now, if you don't continue to maintain your e-commerce website, probably one of the biggest issues people run into is security-related situations. When you're taking people's credit cards, when you have their banking information, when you have their addresses and phone numbers, this can always be a big problem in the long run as far as security with your website. So we maintain and protect a lot of that data for you, and we also offer it at a very good rate. Give us a call. It will be a little bit based on the size of your website, but nonetheless, it's very reasonable for the services that are needed. And we always continue to maintain everything with proper backups to ensure if anything ever did go wrong, because everybody knows stuff, Facebook, government, everybody has had issues. We always have backups to ensure that we're able to restore that information. With that being said, guys, if you are looking to get into an e-commerce website design or development project, we would love to be the ones to at least give you a proposal, maybe be able to point you in the right direction with your company and what your company's situation needs are. So with that being said, guys, we appreciate you following this video, like and subscribe. That stuff helps, and we will catch you in the next video. Thank you.